Hey bros, it's Mahela. I'm back for another video. I thought it would be fun to do a music video. So yeah, here it goes. It's Bruno Mars's "It Will Rain," the second part. I didn't go through the whole thing yesterday because I was exhausted and I just forgot the lyrics. So here it goes. And I have a piano lesson in a little bit, so I might have to cut the video early. So here we go. If you ever leave me, baby, leave some morphine at my door. Cause it would take a whole lot of medication. Realize what we used to have, we don't have it anymore. There's no religion that can save me. No matter how long my knees are on the floor. So keep in mind all the sacrifices I'm making. Keep you by my side, keep you from walking out the door. There'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. Just have to close my eyes, will do the same if you walk away. Every day it'll rain, rain, rain. I've never been your mother's favorite. Daddy can't even look me in the eye. If I was in their shoes, I'd be doing the same thing. Saying there goes my little girl, walking with that troublesome guy. There's just something I understand. Break up these broken pieces if that'll make it right. There'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. Just like to close my eyes, would do the same if you walk away. Every day it'll rain, rain, rain. Ooh, 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 ooh. It will rain. So yeah, that was not Will's. That was "It Will Rain" by Bruno Mars. And yeah, I kind of failed in the middle. Don't judge, guys. Yeah, you know, it happens to everyone. I just don't feel like making a whole another video right now because I've already done like 5 and failed and deleted them. So yeah, I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe and check out my other videos because I literally have no subscribers except for one. But yeah, so anyway, yeah, so thanks for watching. Bye. Put some comments down below on what you guys want me to do, like songs, skits, songs, shows. You know, so yeah. And as always, if you do not like and subscribe, I will eat your soul. JK, bye bros, high five.